Welcome to 2026. Happy New Year, sweeties.
Lady B Kitchen and lifestyle is here again. Lady B Kitchen and lifestyle.
No be regular, she be full package, cooking, family, lifestyle. Beauty with brains, clock up.
Lady B Kitchen and lifestyle.
Fine woman, we got take time, create natural figure eight shape. Angel eyes, clean skin.
Lady B Kitchen and lifestyle. Yummy meals every time, from Niger to India. She do it all.
Authentic chef, authentic baker. I donut sweet past sugar. Nothing where Lady B no sabi cook. Simple and unique recipe. Sweet mom of Chimamanda and Muna Chimso. Motherhood love, lifestyle blend. Anything she cook, now happy ending. New Year blessings, they fall like rain. Joy for the home, peace remain. Normally chow yo, achalu go fine. When Lady B step out, all eyes align. Kind heart woman, grace in a lane. God bless her hands, everything gain. A husband, rich money, by her side. Rich Cristiano, walking in pride. Lovely couple, blessings full house. New Year favor, we know they bound.
Anything she touch, it walk. This New Year blessings, no be joke. Best cooking channel, talk of the town. 2026, Lady B there on the ground. Yeah.
Happy New Year, boy. Blessings everywhere. Yeah. Sweeties, make una shout out.
Lady B Kitchen and lifestyle.
You guys, this is what I have arranged so far. My husband said that I'm doing waste of time. That you are not going to go with all this thing. Anyway, let me see if he's going to enter luggage. If he enter, I will be excited. Oh my, really, eh? We need Jesus. I'm so tired though, anyway. And now, let's try to put it inside bag and see. At this point, I bring everything out. I don't know how this is going to contain 2 luggage. Anyway, let's pack. We are taking 2 luggage. We contain this. Look at shoe is there. All this. Top of clothes first. Like clothes not gonna be somewhere they're supposed to put for that. Because they can't put the clothes like something like this now. So I can't take secure. I don't know. It's a lot of cash.